Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert die symbol in MS Word 1 to 6. It's pretty simple and easy. What you have to do is you need to press Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 9, 8, 5, 6 and release the Alt key. And here you can see the die symbol has been inserted. And if you want to insert die symbol 2, you need to press Alt key again and press 9857 and release the Alt key. And the dice face number 3, you need to press Alt key and 9858. And for dice face 4, you need to press Alt key 9859. And for dice phase 5, you need to press Alt key 9860. And for 6, you need to press Alt key 9861. And here you can see that the all die symbol has been inserted. And here you can select all and change the color of your choice. And here you can increase the font size for better visibility. And if you want to apply some text, and then you can apply text effects. So for your convenience, I have inserted all the art code, so you can take it the snapshot or memorize it. So in this way you can easily insert tie symbol in MS Words. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.